Hello guys, how are you? I hope so you are fine. Good evening. What are you doing? Come with me. I have experienced 10 years in office. Today I teach you how to use formula count and counta. Counta use formula in Excel or count formula in Excel. So what is between used counta and count? Then start, you can see and count formula used in numbers. You can see first counta formula equal type counta counta counta. First column A. Before shift start bracket, first column A. Row 1. A1 shift clone and last row 8 column A8 shift close bracket get enter. You can see guys 8 words any cell. You can see and next equal how used to formula counta for word equal type counta counta shift start bracket first column B row 1 B1 shift clone last row 8 column B8 shift close bracket get enter. You can see guys 8 total word in cell in sheet 8 word. So you count 8. You can see guys 8 word. Next numbers count equal type count shift start bracket first column C row 2 C2 shift column last row 8 column C8 shift close bracket get enter. You can see guys total numbers of count 7. You can see 7 numbers. You can see 7 number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 total number 7. I am used formula count total number count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Next count formula because this is a number equal type count shift start bracket first column D row 2 D2 shift clone last row 8 column D8 shift close bracket get enter. You can see guys number of 7 number of quantity 7. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 I am not used formula is sum. I am used formula count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a count. Full form counting. Next, total. How many counting? Equal type count. 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 Shift start bracket. First column E. Row 2. E2. Shift clone. Last row 8. Column E. E8. E8. Shift close bracket. Enter. You can see, guys, numbers 7. Total number 7. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Counting number 7. I am not used formula sum. I am used formula count and counta. Count formula numbers purpose and counta word purpose. Used formula. You can see, guys, count formula number purpose and counta formula word purpose used in Excel, and complete the answers count formula and counta formula. You full watch, guys, and like, share, subscribe, please.